Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I will show an exciting AI tool. It's known as Google Flow. So it's part of Google Labs. So here you can create various consistent videos with characters. So there are various AI tools that is used for creating videos. So in this one, you can create videos that are very much consistent. So for example, you are creating a cartoon series or you are creating a movie, then you need to have all those videos consistent across different scenes. So that is what it does. Now you have various advanced models also available where you can go ahead and create various scenes with prompts. So let me show you how it works. You can go ahead and create a new project. Looks like I already have a project. So let me open that up. So now here you can come and choose various models. You can start creating or drop media. So here you have various chat. So you have you can rename assets. You have you can build the mood board. So now what I will do is you have this agent here. Now you have scenes. You have characters. So you can build and reuse characters for consistent video. Use a sample prompt below to create it from scratch. So let's say you have various models here. So now if you want advanced models, then that could be paid models. Now if I want to go with a basic model, let's say this one, right? So I'm just going to create this. I'm just going to reuse this model that is there. So it is going to create that model. It's using, see this, the character maintains a neutral composition expression. So I'll create that model. Now once that model is created, then I can choose to create the entire body, only the portrait version of it. Then I can give information about it, that is optional. The flow agent can use this information to help craft screens with your characters. Then you can select a voice for your character. Okay, so this is my character. Okay, so now for this, I'll choose voice. So I can choose a male voice. Okay, so let's see.
Hi there. We're introducing a...
So this is different pitches. Okay. So let me choose
Hi there.
this.
We're introducing a new feature.
Okay, I don't feel that is relevant to the...
Hi there. We're introducing a...
Hi there.
Okay, so this looks pretty...
Hi there.
Okay, so now I'll use this. So I'll say done. Now I have created that character. Now I can go ahead and create various scenes. What do you want to create using that character, right? So now if you go here, I can add instructions. So this is agent instructions. So this is the characters. So I can name this character if I want. So let me go ahead and name it. I'll name it James. Okay, so now I'm going to name it as James. I'm going to the scenes. Here I can create scenes. So now you see this agent settings, what kind of video I want to create, right? So what model I want to create it. So this is the various models that is available. This is the premium model. Okay, so maybe I'll choose the basic one. I don't know whether it will allow me in the free plan. So here I can mention add instructions. So create a guideline for your agent. So I can say reference. So use James, right? So this is the create a guideline for your agent. Instruction title, I'll say add instruction, then done. So I'll say James is in an elevator with a young girl initiating a conversation about give me challenge.com, which is an innovation aggregation portal. Okay, So let's see what it's gonna create. Maybe it will ask me for a premium access to get the model, because I have selected a model which is a cheaper model. If it is like premium model, it might ask for Gemini premium version. So now that is that AI model. It has different tiers, right? That is free one is Nano Banana Pro. It might be a paid one. So it's gonna create that. Let's see how it is proceeding. I given the prompt. Where has the prompt gone? So start creating our drop media, as you can see here. So this is the James that I have created. Now if you go to the scenes, let me give an instruction again. Create guideline for your agent. So I have clicked image, right? So let me create video. So generating will use 24 credits is what it's saying. Now I am saying James is in a elevator with a young girl introducing about my innovation aggregation portal, givemechallenge.com. So this is gonna create a short video. Okay, so I can choose which model. I'm choosing the basic model so that it consumes less credit. Okay, this consumes the least credits. Ingredients, image, video. Okay, it may not work. Okay, it is working good because some of the things need premium access for it to work. But maybe I'm doing it for the first time. Jamie is in an elevator with a young girl introducing about my innovation portal. So looks like it's queued up. If you're using a premium version, then you might get faster access to these things. So it's gonna generate that video. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's slowly creating it. You see this? It's changing from 7% slowly, and then it's gonna create that video for me. Then similarly I can create more scenes and I can use OmniFlash to edit that video. So that is how all these YouTubers are creating these AI videos, right? Using this tool. This tool plays a crucial role in creating those consistent characters. Okay, so let's look at it once it is done. Okay.
This is givemechallenge.com. It's an innovation aggregation portal.
So anyone can submit an idea.
Exactly. It connects innovators with real-world problems.
Okay, so you see this?
This is givemechallenge.com. It's an innovation aggregation portal.
So anyone can submit an idea.
Exactly. It connects innovators with real-world problems.
Okay, so here what you can see is that it has created that video, but it didn't use our character James. So something has gone wrong there, right? So let's see what has caused that problem. Okay, so if I go here, I have asked it to create a video. Then I'll say that your agent is active, ask it to brainstorm ideas. Got it. So this is the instructions. Man with a girl in the... Okay, so now I'm gonna go to characters and say, okay, I have not chosen this, right? Add to the prompt. Okay, so now it is added to the prompt. Use this character to create a video of hidden elevator introducing the online innovation aggregator portal givemechallenge.com to an young girl. Okay, so now you can see I have added that agent, so that is there. Now it will use that agent to create that video. So okay, I'm saving it. Now it's using the video light. Okay, so this is what this is for, enhancing the quality, I guess. Okay, so let's see. Now let's see what it comes up with. Ideally it should use the character James to create that video. Now it is using some random character. Earlier, as you can see, it was using some random character. I want this person. So this is how movies are created, right? I am going to generate a video of James and the young girl in the elevator using the character reference you provided. Would you like me to kick off this video generation costing 10 credits? Yes. So it's asking me if I am okay in generating that video using that. I said yes. Okay, you can go ahead. So now it's going to generate that character. It is going to generate that video using James as the character. So earlier it was using some random person, right? So if you are shooting a movie, serial, cartoon, then you need consistency, which is very important. So that is where this flow, the name flow itself comes from there. You have an entire flow of events that is required for creating a video. So this is where this tool will be valuable. So now let's give it some time for it to create it. So now it's in 25% stage. I am showing it in real time to show you how much time it takes to create those things. So earlier you have seen when we created it directly, it was faster. So if you upgrade to a premium plan, I think it will be, again be faster. Now you see this James. Now you see James.
Have you heard of GiveMeChallenge.com? It's an innovation aggregation portal.
Okay, so if you want to see it in a big screen, you can see it.
Have you heard of GiveMeChallenge.com? It's an innovation aggregation portal.
So now you see this. How cool is that? So I hope this video is useful. If you found this video useful, please do leave a like and please subscribe to Mr. No for such exciting videos. Thank you very much.
Thanks for tuning in with me. Glad you're part of this community. Hit the button down below, let our little family grow. Like and subscribe, yeah, don't you go. See you on the next episode, let's start the show.